acoustics experiment, measuring the speed of sound through air. I'm Tristan.
I'm Anthony.
Here we go. I'm gonna walk approximately 240 feet from where Anthony is, standing with two wood blocks. As you can see, we got a nice view of the lake. 240 feet to measure the sound, the distance of sound through air. There's a lake again for your entertainment purposes. About another few feet or so. So I'm now standing 240 feet away from Anthony, where he has the two wood blocks. He's gonna hit them together. When I hear him hit them together, I'm gonna start this stopwatch right here. And as soon as I hear the sound, I'm gonna stop it. And it's gonna give me the approximate distance that sound traveled through air. Are you ready? No choice, you have to be ready. Go! We're gonna try this one more time. Always good to try more than once. Go! Third time is a charm, they say, so I'm gonna try one more time, okay? Bear with me. Go! Maybe the fourth time. This is my new one I'm gonna make up. The fourth time is a charm. Forget the third time. Fourth time is a charm now, okay? Remember that from now on. Go! Now I got approximately 0.2 milliseconds. Is that right or not? I believe that's right. So that is how you would measure the speed of sound through air. When he hit that, approximately 0.2 milliseconds later, I heard the sound. So, experiment number 1, acoustics, measuring the speed of sound through air.